Unlock your inner fire in just 5 minutes. I am Kaylara, Flame of the Living Mountain, and today I guide you through 8 simple Tai Chi inspired movements to awaken your body, sharpen your mind, and bring fresh energy back into your day. We begin by grounding through the legs. Feel your feet connect to the earth beneath you. Soften the knees. Relax the hips. Let the lower body wake up slowly, like warm lava rising from deep inside the mountain. This first movement activates the legs, supports circulation, and gently awakens the lower body. Move slowly. Stay rooted. Let your breath become steady. Now that we are grounded, we awaken the upper body. Open the arms. Let the shoulders move in a smooth circular path. Do not force. Do not rush. Let the movement melt old stiffness from the neck, shoulders, and upper back. This motion helps release shoulder tension and encourages deeper, fuller breathing. Imagine the chest opening like the sunrise over the volcanic sea. Feel that warmth. Keep moving. Now we stretch the hidden muscles, the ones that sleep quietly until we call them back to life. Reach gently through the sides of the body. Lengthen through the ribs, waist, and hips. Let the movement travel through the whole side body, like a river of fire. In traditional energy practice, this type of side stretch is connected with the gallbladder and liver meridian pathways. Move with care, breathe into the stitch, and let the body create more space. Now we channel this energy into stronger movement. Bring awareness to the chest, armpits, shoulders, and upper ribs. Open and close the arms with control, as if clearing the air around your heart. This helps awaken the upper body, reduce the feeling of collapse from sitting too long, and bring fresh movement into the shoulders and chest. If you spend many hours at a desk, this one is for you. Stand tall. Let the fire rise through the spine. Now we combine the lower and upper body. Shift your weight gently from side to side. Let the arms move with the legs. The body should feel connected, not separate. Lower body, upper body, breath, and focus all move together. This movement helps calm the nervous system, improve coordination, and bring balance between effort and relaxation. Now we spiral the energy. Here comes the twist. Turn gently through the waist. Let the arms follow. Keep the knees soft and the feet grounded. The movement should be smooth, controlled, and comfortable. Do not twist with aggression. Twist like smoke rising from sacred flame. This movement activates the waist, supports spinal mobility, and awakens the deep center of the body. Feel the spiral. Feel the heat. Feel the body remembering how to move. Now we gather the chi. Bring the hands slowly upward, as if lifting warm energy from the earth. Let the palms rise in front of the body. Keep the shoulders relaxed and the breath calm. This powerful movement gathers your focus. It draws scattered energy back toward the center. Breathe in, lift the energy. Breathe out, settle the mind. This is the ancient art of returning to yourself. Now we finish by grounding everything properly. Let the hands lower slowly, soften the knees, feel both feet planted fully on the ground. Let the weight sink evenly through the heels, soles, and toes. The fire has risen. Now we guide it back into balance. This final movement helps reset the hips, calm the body, and bring steadiness back into your stance. You are not burning out. You are burning clean. Your chi is awake. Your breath is steady. Your body is alive. Take one final deep inhale and exhale. Health is wealth, but energy is the flame that carries it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Knees relax and bend slightly. Imagine you're surrounded by energy, that you're floating in this energy. Take your two hands and gather this energy. Feel it float up and spread it out around you. Gather it to yourself, into your body, and feel it sink down through your body. Gather and float. Spread the energy out away from you, then gather it back into your body, and then let it sink down inside of you, all the way down. One more time, gather and float, disperse and spread it out, gather it back into yourself, and feel it sink all the way down. Which movement challenged you the most? Write it in the comments and tell me what you felt in your body after this practice. I am Kay Lara, flame of the living mountain. Stand rooted, move with fire, and carry your strength into the rest of your day.